Opening scene, the call of the wild. The golden savanna at sunrise. It's a world waking up to endless possibilities. A lion emerges from the tall grass, its golden mane glowing in the sunlight. Watch as it leaps, every muscle rippling in breathtaking slow motion. This is nature unleashed. High above, the golden eagle reigns supreme. Diving from the clouds, its wings stretched wide, talons extended. Hyper-realistic feathers ruffle in the wind as it breaks through the misty air. Below, a trout shimmers beneath the lake's surface, sending ripples outward. The eagle ascends triumphantly with the fish in its grasp, water droplets sparkling like diamonds. Scene 2, Ocean Giants. In the vast ocean, a humpback whale breaches against the backdrop of a setting sun. Water cascades from its fins and tail, illuminated by the golden light. Seagulls circle above, silhouetted against the fiery sky. Experience the majesty of this ocean giant as it crashes back into the water. Look closely into its eye and see the intelligence and emotion within. Scene 3, Jungle Agility. Deep in the rainforest, a troop of monkeys swings from tree to tree. Vivid green foliage blurs in the background as a young monkey leaps through the air. Raindrops cling to leaves, glinting in the dappled sunlight. Witness the precision as one monkey grasps a branch bark peeling under its grip. Then a sudden burst of color as a parrot takes flight, its vibrant plumage streaking through the scene. Scene 4, Arctic Power. In the frozen north, a polar bear trudges across the ice, pausing to dive into the freezing water. The ice cracks under its weight, revealing deep blue hues beneath. Its fur glistens with water as it surfaces a freshly caught seal in its grasp. Feel the power as it paddles underwater, bubbles swirling around it. Watch the drama unfold as the bear shakes off water droplets, flying toward the lens. Scene 5, Desert Resilience. Across the shimmering desert dunes, a fennec fox races, its oversized ears twitching at the sound of a scuttling beetle. Sand particles rise in slow motion as the fox pounces. Observe the resilience as it lands, triumphant, the beetle caught between its jaws. Scene 6, Mountain Majesty. Scaling sheer cliff faces, a golden-horned ibex displays remarkable agility. Pebbles tumble down in slow motion as it leaps effortlessly between rocky outcrops. Mist swirls around the mountain peaks, glowing under the soft light of dawn. Marvel at the fearlessness as it navigates the cliffside, and then an eagle soars above, tying the sky and earth together. The closing scene, Symphony of Life. This is the Symphony of Life. A cheetah mid-sprint, dust clouds trailing behind, a butterfly landing on a blooming flower, wings glinting with iridescent patterns, a grizzly bear catching salmon mid-air in a raging river, elephants crossing a misty river water glistening on their massive bodies, a sunset over a lush savanna, zebras grazing peacefully in the foreground, birds taking off in perfect formation filling the sky, and finally a single drop of dew falling from a leaf reflecting the surrounding world in its tiny sphere. Nature in all its epic glory revealed in slow motion. Thank you for joining me in this breathtaking journey. Until next time, stay wild and keep exploring.